Good morning from a cloudy morning at the Polynesian. Mom did the morning ritual of giving Mom her breakfast sandwich from the Coney Island coffee cart. So today's Epcot. Fortunately, my stomach's off again this morning, so we have canceled Garden Grill. I just can't do a full sit-down country meal, all you can eat. Thankfully at Epcot, there's plenty of food choices, and I do love the udon soup in Japan at Katsura Grill, so might be kind of a little more low-key bland day for me. So I've been going through a flare for about the past month, unfortunately. I just really gotta, unfortunately, wait for it to pass. So it's unfortunate that it has to happen during one of a trip, but that is my life. So go get Mom her breakfast. We're gonna chill out for a while. I'm gonna take another hot shower, and then we'll get to Epcot eventually. Woo! Landscaping, noisy. My main goal at Epcot today is to hopefully buy a kimono in Japan, because we are currently saving and planning to go to Japan in the next year or two. So yeah, I'm gonna get me a bona fide kimono to wear in Japan. I'm very excited. Gotta show. I keep forgetting to show what I'm wearing. Oh, a Ratatouille dress today. So yay! Right on time. No monorail. Monorail gray or silver, probably. Silver's more Disney-ish to say.
Your lipstick looks great.
Thank you.
With the gloss.
Yeah, it's that gloss that I bought.
Looks great.
Thank you. Yeah, I asked the Sephora lady. I was like, "What's your favorite lip gloss?" Because they don't make mine anymore. And she's like, "This one." I'm like, "Okay, sold." I think we're gonna go over to Figment first and ride the Figment ride, and then meet Figment. It's brand new since we were here last. Yeah, so we did cancel Garden Grill, so we're just gonna eat around the world today and enjoy ourselves. Small bites around the world are actually perfect for my stomach, so that'll work out. Boy, it looks busy today. Oh boy. Oh lordy. Man. There's the Figment ride. I'll see you in a bit. Yay. I think I'll be our first Fast Pass to book. We missed our previous legs this morning. Again, because my stomach was a dum-dum. It happens. Welcome to Epcot. We made it. There's the golf ball. Okay, we'll go head over to Figment. I do love the new fountain. It's very pretty. Especially at night. Hey! Right, Figment.
Welcome to our special drive-through open house. I'm Dr. Nigel Channing, Chairman of the Imagination Institute.
Use your imagination, so let the good times roll! Woohoo! You win one cent!
Figment, don't! Oh, yeah, real!
A dream can be a dream come true. With just that spark from me and you. Imagination
Of all creation.
Right at the start of everything that's new. One way to smile, lights up for you.
Here he comes. Yay. So exciting. He's a waddling. Left Figment, it started sprinkling a little bit. Got in line at the Ireland booth for food and wine, and it started pouring like cats and dogs. It's not supposed to rain today, by the way. But here we are. Seem to be a magnet for rain showers in November. Here in September and October, and no rain hardly. Come in November, all rain. Oh, well, hopefully it's short-lived. Slowly making our way to Ratatouille in Japan. I'm probably gonna get something to eat there. Mom got the pudding cake and also the fisherman's pie, which is long gone.
And it was awesome.
It was really good, yeah. So it was like $7, not bad. Yeah, good stuff. Love food and wine. ride a rat ride. I love all the Christmas lights. All the mice cars. I'm gonna get a chicken bun, 2 chicken buns, gyudon. Yeah, I do love Japan every year. I'm very happy to see gyudon because that's one of my favorite things in the world. It's so good. Yeah, got my chicken bun and the tiniest gyudon. It's so small.
And there's the inside.
Oh yeah, there's the inside of the chicken bun. Yum. I'm very excited. It's the first thing, it's a 2:15. It's the first thing I'm eating all day. It's gonna be delicious. Also, Katsura Grill behind the pagoda is the best place to come sit. There's never anybody here. And it's very quiet and it's covered. Very nice. Yeah, this is what it looks like. I love it back here. Literally never noticed the koi pond here. Oh, koi fish.
Adorable.
Oh, corgis. They didn't have the corgis. Oh, they're so cute.
In white, no.
Yeah, me neither. They're on number 6 and we're number 14 to do the Pick a Pearl. Hope it's back. I am in the kimono shop. Hi. In Epcot. This is actually the exact kimono I just bought. Except for the flower in the middle of the belt. They were out of that, so I will look online for an authentic cord decoration. Yeah, altogether after tax it was about $168. Full cotton kimono with the bow obi. I'm so excited. I love this one so much. I saw it on the mannequin and I was like, oh, sold. Mom and I are waiting for our Pick a Pearl spot to arrive. It's about a 35-45 minute wait, so they're very popular again. But yeah, the Pick a Pearl is $25 per person, and then it's an extra cost to have your pearl put into a jewelry setting, which we will also probably do. So there's Mom, she's very excited. She can't wait.
Extra large this one for you, and how about yours?
I'm gonna take this little guy right down here.
Oh, the tiny one.
Yes, please.
This one's for you.
Awesome.
Alright, so this oyster number 1's for you, this oyster number 2's for you. So who's gonna go first?
Let's Mom go first.
Yes? Alright, now let's see what's inside. I need your help today. Please count down. 3, 2, 1 in Japanese. Yes?
Ni.
Yes? Yes, exactly. San, ni, ichi. Are
Yeah.
you ready?
Yes.
Right, now let's count together.
Okay, san, ni, ichi.
Perfect countdown. Good job. The event where is a bunch of pearls. Let's see. Your gorgeous, beautiful pearl is right here. Wow, that's a very shiny one.
Yeah,
So
pretty.
pinkish color pearl. Congratulations.
Gorgeous.
So beautiful.
Got a pink one. Yeah.
How about yours? Are you
Yes,
ready?
yes I am.
Alright, then let's go.
San, ni, ichi.
Thank you very much. Where is
Hey. Yeah.
Let's see. Your gorgeous, beautiful pearl is right here. Wow, that's a very shiny one too.
Very pretty.
Yeah, also pinkish color.
They're
It's
like
kind
the
of
same.
matching.
They
Yeah,
match.
matching color.
They got matching colors.
Good size.
Yay. Oh, beautiful.
Alright, now let's measure the size of the pearl. Start from 6.5. Keep going. 6.75. 7. You got lucky 7mm pearl. Congratulations.
Yay.
Nice big size.
Nice.
And how about yours?
Yeah.
6.5. 6.75. Keep going. 7.
All right.
So look at the lucky.
Identical.
Size is also matching. Wow, that's a
Yay. Beautiful.
Now, Nice, big size.
Thank you. Awesome.
I got happy today.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Very good.
I'm so happy to see you. Here's a big smiley bear.
So cute.
So since birthday, make a beautiful shining birthday.
Yay. Taiyaki? Kind of taiyaki? Banana taiyaki, kind of.
Oh, cool. A cream center with a crunchy
Yeah, Hello Pandas are good. Chestnut, strawberry, orange, wheat, and maybe dark chocolate or regular. I'm not sure. So good. Love all the Kit Kats. Every Kit Kat. All the mochi. Yum. Snack heaven. Oh man. Getting a pumpkin caramel butter bar. Oh my gosh. It looks so good. I've never eaten anything from here. It's long overdue. Oh, I just want one of everything. Mom got some Dan Dan noodles. We both got the pot stickers, and I got a crispy duck bao bun. Yeah? Getting hungrier and hungrier. Just sitting in China. It's always a nice place to sit. Never busy back here either. It's great. I don't know if I even mentioned that I got a virtual key for Guardians. I was group 98. So pretty far down the line. I got called around 4 o'clock. It is now 5:15. Guardians thankfully does not care if you're late. Tron does, but not Guardians. So anyways, Mom doesn't actually want to ride, so I am going to ride in her stead. So I'm going to ride twice. Heck yeah, let's do this. Let's see what songs we get. Hopefully Everybody Wants to Rule the World, because that is my favorite. It is so good. Oh my god, the virtual queue line is extremely long. It's very busy today. Oh boy, that's a fun ride. So good. I got Conga and One Way or Another. 2 great songs. I mean, there's really not a bad song choice. Oh my god. It's so crowded tonight. I found out there's a Christmas party tonight, which is not typical for a Monday. They shifted it from yesterday to today because they were doing the holiday filming for TV last night. So things got shuffled around, and that probably explains why Epcot's a madhouse today. So hopefully it'll be a lot better tomorrow. We have the Christmas party tomorrow night. So looking forward to the lower crowds for sure. For sure. Anyways, I gotta find a mama. She's here. I see her. I'll see her. Next up on food and wine. Oh, we got some oysters Rockefeller. 2 orders of them because they're very good. And I got the crab cake, which is new this year. Looks really good. I love crab cakes very much. Also, we're inside Connections Eatery because it's drizzling outside again. Yeah. Oh man, the food from Coastal Eats was really good. The oysters Rockefeller, I'm glad I got 2 orders of them because they were delicious. So heading over to Soarin', which right now is Soarin' over California. Oh man, we're going out with a bang. We got the Jonah crab claws and a glass of Moet and Chandon Imperial Champagne. So go big or go home. Been looking forward to this all day though. I had to make sure I was feeling well enough to enjoy it. So we saved it for last. Cheers. We've made it to Soarin'. Soarin' has changed over to Soarin' over California for the anniversary of something or other. This is probably a good time to remind everybody that I vlog for family memories. I am not an official Disney vlogger, so I don't know all the info or the terms or how to say words. So mighty apologies. But you know, you lose a few family members and you figure out it's time to remember everything the best way you can. So apologies for any incorrect terms I use, but I do my best. But yeah, I'm gonna go ride Soarin' over California. I think last time I rode this was in 2018 with my husband at Disneyland. Yeah, that was also a very fun time. Let's go flying. Decided to skip over to Living with the Land because there was no wait. Plus it's nice to sit down for like a good 10 minutes. It's always interesting too.
Yeah, they made a Mickey hat out of it.
Yeah.
The
Yeah, they're
future
not
of
on.
agriculture. Plants grown in this way use a fraction of the space required by traditional.
Heading to the Epcot ball for one last ride. Go ride Spaceship Earth. Oh, it's always a good one. We're gonna final ride that and then head out. And we're gonna catch an Uber out so we don't have to mess with the monorail because we're tired. I'm tired for sure. Oh, something smells good. One last ride. We're gonna go talk to some Phoenicians. And now it's been a full day. It's 8:45. We are not staying for the fireworks because they're not honestly that great. The new show, Luminous, was supposed to debut by now, but it got delayed. Womp womp. So we just have boring old Epcot forever. So we're gonna skip it. Skip the crowds. I know. It's like the Derby 500. Good night from Epcot. It was a good day. It was really good. Busy day. Busy full of people. We did a lot. I got my yukata or kimono. Very happy about that. Can't wait to wear it in Japan because we're going there fairly soon. I'm very excited. Yeah, it was a good day. We'll catch an Uber now. Zoom zoom.